So, the garage door opener decided to take a shit. The gear's all Chewbacca. Just gonna change that real quick. Hopefully she'll open. Yeah, just gotta pull these little screws out. Oh, I got the wrong size. Just got an 8mm right here. Oh, and I dropped it, and it's gone further. Got the parts off, got the gear out. Now I gotta knock that pin out right here. That pin right there. Got the new gear on, just had to knock this pin out. Right here, knock it out. Put the new gear on, knock the pin back in. It's ready to go back on. Alright, got the garage door back together. Gears all in, lubed up. I want to take the Coupe 240 for a ride before I park it for the winter. And then my buddy Matt Perry is going to come pick me up in his Turbo E36. So that should be pretty fun. Making about 500 horsepower. A little bit of head work done, nothing to the block or anything like that, just stock rods, stock pistons, all that stuff. So awesome build, awesome guy. He's got some beautiful BBS wheels, and I can't wait. Gonna take probably the last ride in the Coupe 240, so I'll just take you for a little ride along. Yeah, and park this thing for another 6 months. I'll give you guys a small rundown on the car. Car has an SR20 DET from a 180, a 98 180. I bought the car about 6 years ago. Car's from Hawaii. And yeah, it makes about 14 pounds. Hi, baby.
Gotta find a different spot.
Someone in there?
No, but I think they're in the bush.
Oh shit.
You can kind of hear the vibration right there.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I said it's probably making like high 405 right now.
That's crazy. Oh my god. Alright, that is it for this video, but stay tuned for next week. We got lots of stuff planned, always stuff to do in the garage. Alright guys, peace.